Now let's go ahead and set up the project. So I have my terminal open and I'm in my desktop folder. Like you can create the project in whatever folder you want. I'm creating it on the desktop. So first of all, what I'll do is I will create a directory. I will say mkdir e-commerce, and then I'll navigate into that directory, and then we will initialize a node project. So to initialize a node project, we have to say npm init, and we want to keep all the defaults. So our node project is initialized. Now we will install some dependencies. So obviously we need TypeScript. So we'll say npm install TypeScript, and it will be a development only dependency, because obviously when the code will go into the production, we have to compile that TypeScript into JavaScript to upload that on the production. So we need TypeScript only for the development phase. So we'll say save dev. So it will take some time to install. So it's installed. So next we will say we will initialize this project with the TypeScript. So to initialize it, we will say npx tsc, it's a TypeScript compiler, and we'll say init. So it will initialize the project and it will create some files. So, and that file is, you can see that tsconfig.json. So it holds all the configuration for the TypeScript. So now in the next step, what we will do is we will install the types for the node. So we'll say npm install types/node, and it will also be a development only dependency. So it will give all the type safety for all the node APIs like files, process, and operating system. So all these things. So that's why we need it. And the JavaScript, we don't need this. So let's install this. So we have all these things installed. Now let's open this folder in the VS Code. I'll say open. And inside the desktop, we will say e-commerce. Okay, so you can see that all the, okay, allow this. Yes. So you can see all the files are there. We have tsconfig.json, we have package.json. So here we have two development dependencies, which is type/node and TypeScript. And now we will create a folder here. So just go into the terminal and say mkdir. It will be a source directory where all our source code will go. Okay, so inside the source directory, here we will create a file which is index.ts. So yeah, so we have all the files. Now we need couple of things. So first we need Express. So we'll install npm install Express. So let's do this. And for the body parcel, we will use the inbuilt middleware of Express only, which is JSON. Now we'll say we have the Express. Now we will install the types for Express as well. So we'll say in npm install head types/express save dev. But you'll see that all the types are installed as the development dependency. So as I already told you, the code of the TypeScript will be compiled to JavaScript before going to the production. So we don't need these types in the production. So let's install this as well. And it's giving an error. Okay. Maybe I guess we don't need it, because I remember in the latest version of Express, they include the types automatically in that Express package itself. So let's see, like we will go through the code. If we'll face any errors, we will try to resolve that together. So yeah, basic folder structures are ready, like basic project is ready. Now in the next video, we will see how we can initialize the Express and get our project running. So see you in the next lecture.